Oh, Chaz, can you do our dishes, please?
Sure, Chess.
And you, can you do the vacuuming, please?
Yeah, actually, I've just got to duck down to the shed to fix the weed eater. The weed eater, yeah.
Do you, though?
Yep, yeah. I won't be long.
E hara koia I te poto, ne?
Well, I might be sometime.
Hey, thanks, babe. Oh, hey.
How's that weed eater?
Yeah, nah, you got me.
E hara koia I te take puta mai ai koe, ne?
Indubitably.
Indubitably.
Indubitably.